Secret account. What does this mean to you? Is it happening to you? Are you feeling like you can't trust something or somebody? Oh, we can get caught up in this and we can throw all our energy into it and send ourselves crazy and let it consume us. But pause and let's get smart. You allow this energy to drain you when you continue to consume this, thinking that they have a secret account, you can't trust them. It drains you, it changes your energy on what you're meant to be doing, you're procrastinating. So I would like you to think about allowing this to stop. Be okay with the thoughts, but stop yourself from wasting your energy, because there's no way that you are going to find out anything until the time is right. Everything's in divine timing. And the thing is, the more you push it, the more you'll push it away. So allow yourself to stop. And when I say stop, I mean, take a deep breath. It is what it is. It's going to be what it's going to be. And I'm okay with that. I'm going to be okay with the outcome, because the more that you think along these lines, the more you are creating this energy, the more you're going to create this happening, the more you're going to create a turmoil, the more you're going to create a breakup. So you may be sabotaging a very good relationship. So when you feel like there's secret accounts being held, let it go. It doesn't belong to you. Go back to your self-love. Go back to your self-comfort. Go back to being you. See, the thing is, we do this thing too, where we're asking others to fill the gap. And we're asking, for the answers to be filled and the gap to be filled. Fill your own gap. Go into your self-worth. Go into your self-love. Start doing things that you enjoy. Start doing things to light you up and keep you in the higher frequency. We're allowed to have thoughts, but you're not your thoughts. You're allowed to have the energy, but you're not that energy. You are a beautiful portal, a beautiful spiritual being. And once you learn how to stay in that higher frequency, life just falls into place and your path just opens up and unwinds. So my message is, stop giving the fire the energy. Come back to you, come back to yourself, and come back to what you need to do for yourself, which will bring through the message for you. What do we need to bring through? Some sensuality. Connect with yourself, connect with your touch, and allow yourself to share that. Allow yourself to get into that. All right? So my message to you is, stop allowing this to take over your life and rule your life. Start handing it over to the universe for the divine timing, and start enjoying what you have got. Start being grateful for where you're at. Start feeling blessed for who you're with and what you have. and step into your own power. If you want to hear more, I've got lots of beautiful healings here. Make sure you subscribe. So when a healing comes up, you can come in and do that and shift for yourself. Press the like button. Comment if it resonates with you. Help me grow and share this love around the universe. The more we love, the more the energy changes with us. Okay, so thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm feeling blessed. Namaste, and I'll talk to you all soon.